Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing another nail tutorial. I absolutely love how my nails turned out. I'm going to pop up a picture so you guys can check them out. I think that they look so classy and elegant. I love them. So this is the nail kit that I used, and I just want to say thank you so much to Rosalind for partnering up with me on this video. So in this set, you're going to get 8 different polishes. And I'm going to go ahead and pop up a picture so you can see all the different colors you get. But you get a red, a few different pinks, white, a sparkly black, and then you're going to get a burgundy shade as well. So this kit right here you can get for $17 off of Amazon. And of course I'm going to have it linked down in the description box for you. Rosalind is definitely an affordable polish. It doesn't have a terrible smell when you're using it. You're not going to have a problem with the polish lasting. I've never had a problem with Rosalind's polish chipping on me, so I appreciate that. I love when you can get a good affordable gel polish. Yes, I'm all about that. Because I am a true believer in you don't have to spend a ton of money to get a good quality gel polish. So if you would like these types of nail tutorials from me, please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that way you're notified every time I do an upload. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Okay, girl, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I'm just going to start with the Rosalind white polish. And I'm going to do 2 coats of the white polish on my nails. And I'm going to cure for 60 seconds in between of each coat. So now that I got the Rosalind polish on, I'm going to go ahead and take my rhinestone glue, and I'm just going to put a little line on the side. I am going to get some rhinestones, and I don't know why, but I like 5 of them. That was the sweet number for me, 5, so I'm just going to stick with putting 5 on here. I just love how classy this looks, but still so very easy to do. So now I'm just going to take a top coat, and I'm going to go ahead and top my nail with the clear top coat, go around the rhinestones. And this just helps to even out that rhinestone glue so it's not all clumped up on your nail. Make sure that you have your rhinestones in a line the way you want them before you cure. I'm going to go ahead and cure for 30 seconds on each nail. And I'm just going to do that on each nail so that way the rhinestones don't slide on me. Because sometimes they don't want to stay still and they kind of just want to move all over the place. So I do like to just do one nail at a time. Okay, and of course, you know I'm going to use my favorite cuticle oil. Okay, girls, so this is the completed set. I absolutely love how they turned out. I think they look so classy. I'm definitely going to have everything that I used in today's video linked down in the description box for you. So if you're wanting to check anything out, it will be linked in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!